Hey everybody, Adam Isaacson here, TTR Sotheby's International Realty. Wanted to give a little market update on the areas that my team sells homes in, and really compare first quarter of this year to the second quarter of this year. Q2 we ending at the end of June, and really the trends we're really starting to see in the last 30 days, which is that the market is starting to normalize, which we haven't said in a long time. I think homes are starting to sit a little bit longer. We're not seeing a lot of those 15 to 20 offers on a home. And I think a lot of it has to do with the rise in interest rates, which are in the low fives now. Pre-COVID, we were in the high twos to low threes. And I think there's some buyer fatigue that's probably been going on as the market's been so crazy this year that I think buyers who have been in the market for a while looking for a home probably are taking a little bit of a break or just watching to see what happens. So let's just get into it. This slide is the percent of homes, and this is national, that have having price reductions. So as you can see, if you look at this way, the dark red line is 2022. So we're currently at 24% of the homes that come on the market will have a price reduction. So pre-COVID, or I should say during COVID, we are probably at 19 to 20%, and that's when homes were just selling so quickly. So not every home is gone immediately, but that was a really low percent, 19, 20%. And again, I think this has to do with the rise in mortgage rates and maybe some buyer fatigue. Now you can see the last time we had a mortgage rates went up was the dark blue line. That's 2018. And mortgage rates went up, and we actually had 37% of the homes on the market were having price reductions. I do not think we're going to get to 37%. I think this 24% probably will trend a little bit upwards as well. It's on a pretty steep curve right now over the last 30 days. So I would expect it to probably continue up and then probably level out. So, but again, this is creating opportunities for buyers. We just had our first buyer in years who was the only offer, and they actually got the home for less than the list price. So that was pretty awesome. Now this is the total inventory of homes in the United States. Now you can see up there 937,000. That's in 2019. So in June 2019, that's how many homes were available for sale in the United States. Now look to the far right. Today there's 375,000. So a third less homes, which is why prices do continue to appreciate. There's just not enough homes. It's a supply-demand issue. So we're continuing to have that. Inventory was up about 3%, which, there's more homes coming on the market, but still not enough supply. And there's still a lot of demand out there. So what is it doing to our local market? These are all the cities that my team sells in. So Bethesda, Q1, Q2 was up 6.6. If you did this last year, if I was talking to you last year, it would have been up double digits. Chevy Chase up 10. I mean, these are great numbers. Let me keep in mind that. Potomac is one to watch. So it's flat right now for the year. Last year it was up 20%. So I'm not surprised that we're seeing it's not a pullback in price, but more of a leveling off. Behind my head is Kensington at almost 8. Silver Spring, Rockville 5.8. DC condos is down 6 for Q1 versus Q2. Q1 was actually really strong. Obviously, during the crazy heyday of COVID, people were getting out of the city, so the condo market did take a bit of a dip, and it was coming back Q1, but we're starting to see it pull back again. So if you're a buyer and you're looking for condos, definitely a good time to start looking out for those. So again, I think we're just seeing a market normalize. It is not depreciating. So keep that in mind, buyers. It is not depreciating, and the mortgage rates are on the rise. So if you're looking, I wouldn't sit around and just wait and wait and wait. You really want to get in and at least explore and talk to your realtor and see what's would work for you guys. So that's it for now. Any questions, feel free to reach out to me or anybody on my team. Happy to help. And hopefully this information was useful, and hope everyone is doing well. Talk to you soon.